everybody, it's your boy JJ. Who we got here?
Ryan.
Yeah, that's right. I was testing you. So right now, we got this. Does your car even have a name?
The devil.
You didn't name your car?
Dude, it's got so many names. People call it so many names.
You don't have a personal name. All right, Ryan. What kind of car is this?
It's a 2015 Ford Mustang GT.
This is 2015.
Automatic.
Is it really?
6R80 built trans.
What the fuck? I'm already finding out shit. I'm not. Oh my god. Let me see. I don't believe you. Oh, you're not bullshitting. Give me the details, man. What's going on with this thing?
Procharged, fuel injectors, booster pump, smaller pulley, lowered, built trans.
How much horsepower is this thing making?
750.
750.
To the wheels.
To the wheels?
To the wheels.
How much is to the crank?
I don't know. I haven't dynoed it.
Oh my. Did you dyno it? So
on paper, it should be about 750.
did you dyno it or like the previous owner dyno it? And then you're just like, how do you know it's making 750?
On paper.
Oh shit.
It probably makes more than that, man. I beat a 711 horsepower Camaro ZL1 by about 4 or 5 cars.
Fun fact. So me and Ryan, I've actually been knowing Ryan for like what, like
2.5 years.
2.5 years, something like that. How I met this dude was crazy. So I was at work, right? I was just walking to my car. I just bought it, and I see like this dude just like underneath the freeway, underneath 35, taking pictures of what used to be his Boss 302. He used to have a white Boss 302. The thing was sick. I was like, oh shit, that's a white Boss 302. That thing looks super clean. So I just like ran up on him, just like asked him a shit ton of questions about his shit. Then ever since then, just been chilling really. But oh yeah, hey, so tell him what happened to your old car.
My wheel fell off. Insurance said that I tightened the lug nuts on too tight and it shaved off the studs.
That's a thing?
I guess so.
Damn, loud ass hood. Oh shit, there it is. Man, dude, it's like right up in your face, no hiding it, no nothing.
So basically this is belt driven, but also runs off exhaust, so it's basically a turbo with no lag.
So tell me, how did you get this car?
Insurance money, dude.
So I know you bought it with the procharger, right? So is there anything else that you did that they didn't do like after you bought it?
Basically, it was just the kit. So it had the regular pulley. It had the 56-pound injectors and everything. So I had to upgrade injectors because I maxed out on fuel. The booster pump I added, the smaller pulley, and I built the trans.
You said 56? 56 pounds?
56-pound injectors. Now it's on 95.
Are you serious?
The Ashworks, or however you say it, which is equivalent to ID 1000s.
And it's rated for this procharger? All that's a lot of fucking fuel.
It's more. Like the 95-pound injectors that I'm using, I have plenty of room to like grow.
Shit, dude. I don't remember seeing this shit though.
Was it? The spoiler?
Yeah.
Yeah, I added that. It's 3-piece. It's Cervini's Stalker.
Did you paint it?
No, it's wrapped.
What kind of exhaust?
Straight pipes. So it's got the Ford Racing X pipe to the side pipes.
You got side pipes on this thing too?
Yeah, the same ones that come on the Boss Hero 2 stock. And then it has the muffler delete to the quad tips.
What kind is it? Was it Borla?
No, it's straight pipe. It's pipe.
It's just piping?
This is pipe.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You bought it like that? Or you did it like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, cause when I first saw
it was Roush. It had Roush exhaust on it.
Oh shit! And you're just like, fuck that.
It's too quiet. You don't want muffled or anything like that with boost, man. You want straight pipe. You want perfect flow.
I feel you, dude. That's what's up. So how does that work? Can you like interchange it like how you did?
It's open all the time.
Both on the back and on the side.
Sides, yeah.
Really? So there's no like butterfly thing or like.
Cut out now.
Damn. So you just got like surround sound on this bitch, pretty much.
For everyone else, yeah.
What kind of wheels are those? What kind of wheels are those?
Miro 110s.
That didn't come with the car when you first bought it, huh?
Came with MMD something from LMR, from late model.
Alright, dude, yeah. That shit looks dope. I like it. Fucking with it. What is it? Coilovers or you on?
Lower springs.
This looks damn good for some lower springs. How'd you get it all even?
There's 1.8 in the front and 2 in the rear.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
How come yours came out so fucking good? It looks good though. These are what? 20s? 19s?
20s.
20s?
Yeah, 20
That's why.
9.5 and 20 by 9.5.
Yeah, dude, that wheel size means everything. I only had 18s. I was like,
and the offset changes too. You know, it's 28 in the front and 48 in the rear.
Oh, that's good, dude. It looks damn good, I'm not gonna lie. When you start this thing up, when you're behind me, I can like hear you whistling and it sounds so fucking good, dude. I'm like, oh shit. That's crazy. Rev it one more time. Ryan, this thing should be illegal.
It is.
Fuck, dude, like, dude, I don't know, like, your exhaust, it like gets into my ear. Like, whenever I'm standing behind it, it like goes all throughout my ear. I'm like, god damn, that thing is loud. That thing's wild. How do you pass inspection?